Hi, I'm Dave.
I'm Vanilla.
And we are from the Lift on iRadio, and today we are at Mondello Park.
We are going to be getting into these cars with professional drift drivers. I have no idea what I'm letting myself in for. I am, in a word, petrified. If I can appeal to the drivers, please just go a little bit easy on us.
They're not going to listen.
What do you think of that?
I'm sick, but I'm glad I did it. It was actually great crack. The drivers were unreal.
You're sick?
My stomach is in ribbons.
That was nothing. Bring on Drift Games.